Hey guys, this is Keys. This is a quick one, guys. I'm gonna be showing you guys this stuff. We have Binance NFT here. It says, we hope you enjoyed our International Women's Day webinar. Last round of giveaways to 60 lucky winners. It's going to be ending by March 15th, 5 p.m. UTC. So you want to check out the time. There's a video here in which you are supposed to watch out. You can watch the video. That's my recommendation. Watch the video, pick out so you can be able to get the answer. So basically, this video is meant to notify you of this ongoing giveaway for lucky participants. So all you want to do, make sure you're following Binance NFT. Try as much as possible to do this. They will be choosing 60 lucky winners to check a prize pool of $3,000. So guys, can you be on my background noise? Feel free to like, share, subscribe. All you need to do, answer the quiz questions and you're good to go. So this was posted about less than an hour. It just got posted less than an hour, guys. So when you click on the link, it's going to bring you here. So that's it. That's what we have here. You can see the Binance webinar official. So you can click on the video. The video is going to take you directly to YouTube. Here is the video. This is the live seminar. So it's about an hour long, an hour, 11 minutes, 11 seconds long. But basically, the answers are basically most of the answers are yes. So I didn't get to watch it fully, but I do recommend that you watch it fully for in order for you to get the best answers. The 60 lucky winners will be selected. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you guys what we've selected for ourselves. So we do not recommend you push through with art, but apparently this is what we've been able to come across. First question says we should talk about the list of people that attended the seminar. And from our own calculations, we have about eight, okay, seven ladies here, seven women here, guys. We have Sanja, Lucia Quiglia, Binance. We have Norella, Clover Finance, Galia Banco, Athena, Tegan Plain, and Elizabeth. So these are their reputations. These are there. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. There are seven of them. So Elizabeth Lee is the Deputy Director of Binance Charity. Athena Yu, Global VP Binance NFT. Lucia Quiglia, Community Manager at Italy. Norelia LNG, Co-founder of Clover Finance. Then we have Tegan Plain, co-founder of the Graph and head of business at Edge and Node. Then Sanja Khan, CEO of Futures, Galia Benanzi, co-founder of Bangkok, guys. So apparently these are the answers. So we just came over here. First question says, who are the guests? So we chose about one, two, three, four, five, six. So it's supposed to be seven, but I think there's no option for us to use the Binance moderator. I think the Binance moderator happens to be happens to be I think that should be Athena U or so. Let's see. I think okay, that's Lucia Quigley. That's she's the Binance moderator. She's the Binance moderator, but apparently we couldn't find her here, so we choose use Lucia Quigley, community manager. That's her here. She's not part of the list here, so we didn't select her. So we selected one, two, three, four, five, six. So that's what we selected. So next question says, what companies do these women represent? So you want to go back here, check out the companies that are here, fill in the spaces, and you're good to go. So we selected these one, two, three, four, five, six companies for six of them. Next question, what is Web 3.0? Now, we believe that Web 3.0 is the evolution of Web 2.0. So that's what we chose. So you can make your research to make sure you have the correct answer. You can drop the correct answers below, guys. What is the metaverse? We believe the metaverse is a decentralized evolution of the internet. So that's what we chose. Next question, what's the difference or what's the effort to support women and girls in Africa? So by helping them get involved in blockchain, by helping them through Binance charity. So those are a part of it, all of the above. That's what we selected. And for the benefits, we still took all of the above. So the ability to send funds without hindrance, ability to have financial freedom. That's two. Okay, we're going to put it all of the above. I think that's it. So next question, guys. Next question. For second flower. Okay, this question needs to be technical. This question is currently technical. You want to confirm this? Say code to inspire was used to help girls and women. Yeah, so we want to check it out to make sure you're choosing the right answer. But we chose Afghanistan. That's what we chose for ours. So make sure you do your own research to be sure. Then how can Web 3.0 be used for good? So it will lead to economic empowerment. So believe this is it. I don't think there was an all of the above option. We would have gone for it, but we're going to choose the best answer for us. I will feel it's possible. Okay. Then you need to submit your BSC, BNB, BP20 wallet address. So just go over to your Binance account, go to BNB, click on deposit BNB from the spot wallet or from your dashboard. Just click on deposit BNB, select BNB, select the coin. Network is BSCBP20 wallet address. You copy it. Once you copy it, make sure this is what you are copying. Then you take it over here and you're good to go. Submit. So I'm going to click on submit now, guys. So that's it. And you're good to go, guys. So you might want to view your score. Okay, there's a score here, guys. So we're going to view our score to see if we got. Let's see what we got, guys. So the score, we don't, I can see total point 0 of 0. So I'm not seeing any score here, guys. The score is not displaying, guys. It's not displaying. We can only see 0 of 0. I don't know. The final score pending. Okay, the final score will be pending, guys. So, guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Keith. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, guys.